Okay. Whoop. As soon as I turn on this camera, they want nothing to do with me. Ah! Okay. And now my other friend who's up in the tree is very verbal. Yep, I can hear you. I'm gonna get swooped out again, I can tell. It's you. Look at how lovely you are. Yep. Can you see that color? Oh, that green and the teal in the tail. Oh my God, is he sweet? Or she. I'm sorry if you're a girl. I don't want to get too close because that's a big old beak. And he's on a floating platform. So I'm sorry it keeps swinging around. Okay. Enjoy your breakfast.